To Valhalla! Woo! This video is just a compilation of images and videos that were taken during the Extreme Zipline Adventure, the tour through Vallarta Adventures. So this was one that I did with the family. A really fun tour. It included, standard zip lines, but then also things like a roller coaster zip line that has little drops as you go. There were ones where you could hang upside down. There was the Superman zip line, which was a very high, long, fast zip line where you're also hanging head first as you go. Included things like a cargo net climb, rappelling down from tree platforms, sort of a high ropes course where you actually would walk along a tight rope with a guide rope, step along different platforms. There was a pendulum swing where you swung off of a platform. Included riding or driving ATVs through the mud across a bridge that was like a suspension bridge on an ATV. They even had at the end a wind tunnel, like a skydive simulator that was fun to try. So this was a great tour for the whole family. Some were being pushed kind of towards their limits of what they would want to try and out of their comfort zone. Others like me that are used to ropes and used to being high, it's just a lot of fun. So I definitely would recommend this tour. It was a great time.
Oh, wait! Oh, no! Wow! Holy hell!
Nice, Kaden.
Go!
You free fall for so long.
Oh, man.
No! Oh my god! No, you know what they say? I'm Iron Man! Whoa! Woo! I'm big! Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
Here we go! Brace for impact!